Hello and welcome to an experiment. My name is Tom Vanderbloemen. I'm a lawyer in South Carolina and I practice in the area of trademarks, copyrights, patents, and franchise law. After practicing in large law firms in Atlanta and South Carolina for about 15 years, I started my own firm in 2017. And shortly after that, we started this goofy little newsletter with news about trademarks and franchises and other legal stuff that we would send to our friends and clients and colleagues. Somewhat offbeat stories, pop culture. We talked about sports mascots like the Philly Fanatic. You may not know, but the Philly Fanatic was the subject of a very big copyright case. We talked about fashion and the Lizzie Borden case. You may know the Lizzie Borden murders, but you may not have known there was a trademark case involving the Lizzie Borden house. We talked about Snoop Dogg and Clark Griswold and the trademark case involving dog toys and Jack Daniels that went to the Supreme Court, or the case about farting dolls named Pull My Finger Fred. We would have trivia questions, we would answer frequently asked questions, we would show pictures of our dogs, including our prior chief counsel, as we called him, who has since passed on, and his successor, our law clerk, as we call her. At some point, someone suggested that we start taking these newsletter topics and maybe turn them into some video content and experiment with this. So we're going to try this out for a little while and see how this goes. We'll touch on some of the same things that we talk about in the newsletter, so maybe consider this our companion podcast to the newsletter. Like I said, though, it's an experiment, so no promises. We're just testing it out. If you want to sign up for the newsletter, you can click on the link in the description, and we'll try to send one out every week, depending on the holidays. At a minimum, we hope you like the dog pictures and the trivia questions. Enjoy.